Ahora tenemos las vocales. Now we have the vowels. And we only have 5 vowels in Spanish. The sounds never change. It doesn't matter if they are together or not. The sounds are always the same. We only have 5 vowels. And those are A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Here I have some examples of the use of those letters in some words. I just took those words at random, so they are just nouns or adjectives or whatever, but just words that include the sound of these letters, and that is for you to make it clear in terms of the pronunciation. So we have Ana, para, manzana, cama. Ana is a person's name. Para means for or to, it depends on the context. Manzana is an apple, and cama is a bed, okay? Ana, para, manzana, cama. Then for letra E, vocal E, we have meme, pelo, mese, bebé, rehén. Meme, pelo, mese, bebé, rehén. Meme, hair, swing, baby, hostage. Meme, pelo, mese, bebé, rehén. And then letra I, India, tiempo, hielo, miedo. India, tiempo, hielo, miedo. O, oso, olor, honor, solo, ojo. Oso, olor, honor, solo, ojo. U, uno, uña, único, suelo, atún. Here, the English version, India is the country, tiempo is time, hielo, ice, miedo, fear. Then for O, oso, it's the animal, bear, olor, smell, honor, it's the same in English, solo means just or alone, it depends. Ojo is the eye. For U, uno, you already know this one, it's the number. Uña, it's a nail, the fingernail, nail. Único, it's pretty similar to your language, unique. Suelo, ground. Atún, it's the tuna fish, atún, okay, the fish. So if you notice, all the letters are always pronounced. And I think I already told you about this, that for you to be more fluent and to have a better pronunciation, it is important to pronounce all the vowels. Maybe the consonants are not that important at some point, but if you miss some vowels, then maybe you are not going to convey the message that you, or the word that you want to. So here I told you that, like, just imagine you only have the vowels and just pronounce those. And here we have U, A. U, A. So then if you add the sound of the consonants, you will have Susana. And this one, U, I. And then you add the consonants, útil, útil. And then you have this one, IE, IE. You add the consonants, M, L, and then you have miel. The following word, I, E, I, E. I, E, I, E. I, E, I, E. And now you add, in this case, the consonants, and you will have increíble. If you notice, all the letters are pronounced. This is a longer word. I just did it because it's a long word. A, O, U, A, E. A, O, U, A, E. And then we have afortunadamente. Again, all letters are pronounced, all of them. Here I just wrote a word which is To my knowledge, the only word in Spanish that includes all the vowels once without repetition. Murciélago, murciélago, which is bat, a bat, like Batman, murciélago. Okay, so Batman in Spanish will be el hombre murciélago. That's it. So just please make a revision of this and be sure that you are pronouncing the vowels correctly. Again, A, E, I, O, U.